Good morning, everyone. We have performed, I think, two practical in inorganic section. Okay. Now here is your third practical. Today we will perform your third practical. Okay, in inorganic section. Now look here. Your inorganic compound is MgSO4. Okay, magnesium sulfate. So today we will discuss about magnesium sulfate, then we will perform test. Okay. So look here. Here is your magnesium sulfate in a solid form powder magnesium sulfate. Clear? Okay. Now look here. So first of all here is your physical test, color and order. Okay. Then you have to perform first anion. Okay. So here is your test for anion. Dry heating test, dilute sulfuric acid test, KMnO4 test, concentrated sulfuric acid test, and last one sulfate phosphate test. Okay. So here is MgSO4. That's why negative ion is sulfate. Okay. So when you perform dry heating test, dilute sulfuric acid test, KMnO4 test, and concentrated sulfuric acid test, there is no any kind of result there side. Okay. But when you perform sulfate test, okay, when you perform sulfate test, then you will get white PPDs. Okay, you will get white PPDs. So your sulfate is present as a negative ion. Okay, so here identification of anion. You have to first perform dry heating, dilute sulfuric, KMnO4 test, concentrated sulfuric acid test, and finally you will get white PPDs in sulfate. Okay, so here is your sulfate test will present. Okay, so here is your identification and identification of anion. Okay, then you have to confirm your sulfate. That's why you have to perform original solution. You have to take some quantity of original into your test tube. Then you have to add dilute HCl. Then you have to add barium chloride. So your white PPD is obtained. Okay, your white PPDs will obtain. So your sulfate is present as a negative ion. Clear? So here is your negative ion test. You all know about your test, how to perform negative ion. Okay. Then positive ion. In a positive ion, you all know here is Mg plus 2. Last one is Mg plus 2. Your last group is Mg plus 2. So you have to perform 0 group, then first group, second group, third A, third B, fourth, fifth and sixth group. Okay. Now in last group, when you perform 0 group, first group, second group, third A, third B, there is a no precipitate. Okay. That but in last group OS, you have to take OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus dilute NH4OH plus dilute Na2HPO4. Okay, when you take it, then you will get white PPDs. So your Mg plus 2 is present here. Okay, in last group. Here as a white PPDs. You will get white PPDs in last group. So Mg plus 2 is present in your test. Okay. So here is identification of positive ion. Okay. And again you have to perform conformatory test for Mg plus 2. That's why here OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus NH4OH. Clear? Plus ammonium and NH4HPO4. You have to perform with NH4 twice HPO4. Then you will get white PPDs again. So here is your conformatory test for Mg plus 2. Okay. So here your positive ion is Mg plus 2 and negative ion is SO4 minus 2. And your chemical or your solution is MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Clear? So here is your basic theory. Okay, you have to perform negative first, negative ion you will get sulfate test. Okay, then you have to perform conformatory test for sulfate. Then After that we have to perform group test. In group test you will get Mg plus 2 as a white PPTs. Okay, then you have to confirm the Mg plus 2 through this test, and you will get again white PPTs for Mg plus 2 in confirmatory test. Okay, so Mg plus 2 as a positive ion and SO4 minus as a negative ion. Clear? Now we will perform practical. Now look here. Here is your MgSO4 in a powder form. Okay, so first of all we will make a solution here of MgSO4. Clear? So I am taking here MgSO4 and here is your distilled water. Okay, so you have to prepare first of all MgSO4 solution OS. Clear? So here is your OS of MgSO4. Clear? So here is your MgSO4 original solution. Okay. Now look here. When you perform, okay, in negative ion, when you perform sulfate test, okay, then you will get white PPDs. So in sulfate test, there is a OS plus dilute HCl. You have to boil it, then you have to add barium chloride. So you will get white PPDs for sulfate. Okay. So look here. Here is your barium chloride. Barium chloride plus here is your dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, barium chloride and dilute sulfuric acid. So for sulfate test, listen to me, for sulfate test I am performing here sulfate test. So here is my OS. You can see here. Here is your OS. Clear? Plus you have to add dilute sulfuric acid. So here is your dilute sulfuric acid. Clear? Plus you have to add barium chloride. So here is your barium chloride. Okay, barium chloride, and you will get white PPDs. You can see here easily. I am adding first OS, then dilute sulfuric acid, then barium chloride, dilute barium chloride, then you will get white PPDs. That's why your sulfate is present in your sulfate test and confirmatory test both. Clear? So you will get white PPDs when you take OS plus dilute HCl plus dilute barium chloride. You will get white PPDs as a sulfate. Okay? So white PPD is obtained. So your sulfate is present in this test. Okay? So confirmatory test you will get sulfate, okay, as a white PPT. Here now we will perform here Mg plus 2 test. Okay, identification of positive ion Mg plus 2, OS plus dilute NH4Cl plus dilute NH4OH plus dilute Na2HPO4. Okay, so again I am taking a blank test tube. Then here is my OS. I am adding OS. Clear? Here is OS, original solution, plus here is NH4Cl. NH4Cl. I am adding NH4Cl. Okay. Then I am adding NH4OH. Here is NH4OH. NH4OH, and finally I will add Na2HPO4. So I will add HPO4. Then you will get white PPDs again. Here is Na2HPO4. Okay, and you will get white PPDs as a Mg plus 2. Clear? Magnesium Mg plus 2. Here is your PPDs. You will get white PPDs in last group. Okay, in last group you will get white PPDs. Here is your white PPDs. OH plus dilute NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus dilute Na2HPO4. So here is your white PPDs as a Mg plus 2. Clear? So identification of positive ion, so Mg plus 2 is here. Okay, white PPDs is here. Okay. Now for confirmatory test of Mg plus 2, here is OH plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus NH4 twice HPO4. Clear? So look here. Here is ammonium phosphate. Ammonium phosphate solution is diphosphate. Ammonium diphosphate solution is here. Now first of all, here is my blank test tube. Okay, I will take OH first. Okay, then I will add NH4Cl. Clear? Then NH4OH. Clear? NH4OH, and finally I will add ammonium diphosphate. Ammonium diphosphate is here. So you will again get white PPDs for confirmatory test of Mg plus 2. You will get again white PPDs for Mg plus 2. Here is your confirmatory test for Mg plus 2. OH plus dilute NH4Cl plus NH4OH, then diammonium hydrogen phosphate. Okay, so here is white PPDs again. Clear? So here is your confirmatory test for Mg plus 2. Okay, we have performed first negative ion. Okay, then in negative ion sulfate test. Okay, then we have got white PPDs, so SO4 minus 2 is present here. Then we have performed last group. Then we have got white PPDs, okay, as a Mg plus 2 in identification of positive ion. And finally we have performed a confirmatory test for Mg plus 2. Then we have got again white PPDs for Mg plus 2. Clear? Now here as a positive ion Mg plus 2, then negative ion SO4 minus 2, and your solution is MgSO4. Okay, so we have completed now 3 inorganic practical. Okay, next time we will perform practical number 4. Okay, thank you.